Happy Wednesday, friends. Here we are going over example 4. We are almost done with this page of notes, and we love that for us. So our last real-life application, we're going to mark the text, define a variable, and write our answer using the appropriate context, which means a complete sentence. So website A offers ticket to an event for $7.25 each, plus a $20.50 handling fee, while website B offers tickets for $8.50 plus a $5.50 handling fee. How many tickets need to be purchased in order for the cost to be the same? All right, let's mark the text. So I see that sentence 1 ends after fee. Sentence 2 ends after same. All right, now let's go back and circle some of our numbers. I see that I see $7.25. I see $20.50. And I see $8.50. And I see $5.50. And that's all the numbers that I see. All right. Now I'm going to go back and underline the who, what, when, and all important information. So I see website A, that's the first thing we're talking about. We're also talking about tickets. I see each means multiplication. I see plus, which means plus. And then a handling fee, that's kind of important. While website B, that's a different website, offers tickets for $8.50 plus a $5.50 handling fee. How many tickets, that's what we're talking about, need to be purchased in order for the cost to be the same? I'm going to underline the same because the same, I think it means equal, doesn't it? We'll see. Okay, so let's box it. Box what the question is asking us to do. It's asking us for the amount of tickets for the cost to be the same. So I like to start this by, first we need to define our variable. I'm going to say T equals tickets because that's what we underlined as the what. And then we're going to come up with two expressions, one for website A and one for website B. So when I'm looking at website A, I'm looking at sentence 1. Sentence 1, first part of sentence 1, tells me a lot. It says it offers tickets to an event for $7.25 each. And I saw multiplication. So that means for website A, I'm going to have $7.25 times the amount of tickets. So that's 7.25 T. Then I saw the word plus after each, plus the shipping or handling fee. Now, I know most of you probably haven't ordered stuff online, but when you do, you don't pay more for each thing that you buy online. You just pay a flat rate. So if I'm buying something on Amazon and shipping is $5, if I buy 2 of that same something, it's not going to go up to 10. It's just going to stay $5. So the shipping or the handling fee is $20.50. There's going to be no T next to that. It's just going to be $20.50. Now, website B offers tickets for $8.50 each. So I have an $8.50 T plus their handling fee, which is $5.50. And it's asking us how many tickets need to be purchased in order for the cost to be the same. And then I wrote a little note to myself that the same reminds me of the equal sign. That is correct. Whenever you guys see the same, it means equal. So what am I going to do with these two things? I'm going to set them equal to each other. So here's my setup. 7.25 T plus 20.50 equals 8.50 T plus 50. that's my setup. I just took website A and set it equal to website B. All right, now I'm going to solve using inverse operations. So you guys know my favorite step. My favorite step is to move the one on the right over to the left. So here's my two sides. The opposite of a positive is a negative. I'm going to switch colors just so it doesn't look like it's all bleeding through. So I'm going to subtract 850t from either side. Now, this is kind of where like terms come into play. I'm not going to subtract 850 from the 2050 because there's no t. So these two are going to cancel. And then I'm going to have $5.50 on the right. And then 725 minus 850. Let's see what that is. I got negative 1.25t plus 2050. Now I'll subtract 2050 from either side because we are doing the opposite of addition at this point. And then when I subtract that, I believe you get negative 15. So you get negative 1.25t equals negative 15. And we're going to divide by negative 1.25. And then let's see what that is. I got 12. So t equals 12. And that's it. Except I have to do one more thing. This is a word problem, so I need to say my answer. So I'll say, what's it say? How many tickets do we need to purchase in order for the cost to be the same? And I got 12. So after 12 tickets, the cost for both websites will be the same. And then we'll come over here. We'll highlight our answer so that it's all obvious to Miss C that we have our answer. So these two things. Okay. Let's help start the we do off. And then it's all you. Going back to presenter. Okay. So Cameron pays 0.95, so that's 95 cents per song with his current music service. A new music download service charges $0.89, so 89 cents per song with a $12 joining fee. Should Cameron switch to the new service, write an equation to represent when the cost for any number of songs S is the same for both services. All right, let's mark that text. So I see Cameron pays 95, sorry guys. Cameron pays 95 cents per song with his new current music service. That's sentence 1. The new music download service, sentence 2 ends at fee, and then sentence 3 ends at service, and then sentence 4 ends with services. All right, sentence 1, numbers. I see 95 cents. A new music download service charges 89 cents. In sentence 2 and $12 in sentence 2. No numbers in sentence 3. And then write an equation to represent. Okay. No numbers in sentence 4 either. All right, let's go back and underline our important stuff. So we're talking about Cameron. I see per. Per means times. And then I see per again in sentence 2. And we have a current music service and we have a new music service. And that's all I see that's important in sentence 1 and 2. Oh, a joining fee. That's a one-time fee. Should Cameron switch to the new service? Okay, that's a question. Write an equation to represent when the cost for any numbers of songs S is the same for both services. This is also telling us what to do. And it gave us a variable. That means we don't have to define one. What's the variable that we have to use? I see S. So we know that S equals songs. And then we're going to set it up. So we need an equation for or an expression for the current music service. Okay, so I see 0.95 per song, and song stands for S, so we're going to do 0.95 S. That's an S. I'm sorry, guys, my 5s sometimes look like S's. Okay, and then we need an expression for the new music service. And that is going to be, let's look. They charge 0.95 per song, so that's multiplied per S, so 0.89 S with a $12 joining fee. So that's in addition to this $12 joining fee. Okay, now we need to figure out when they're going to be the same, after how many songs. Will the cost be the same? And same means equal. So I'm going to take these two and set it up. So 0.95 S equals 0.89 S plus 12. And then you guys solve it. I'll give you an answer, but if I just see an answer, these notes don't count. You got to actually do the work. So show me the steps. And then what you should get as an answer is S equals 200. So then you guys have to tell me when you guys meet me next. Should Cameron switch to the new service? Should he? Should he not? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Also, reminder, question or connection. Try and get these done so you don't have to do them later. And then if you'd like to get a heads up on that full summary, go for it. All right, that's it for tonight's video. See you tomorrow. Bye.